Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now, charge the Samsung J3 2016 to at least 50% and connect it to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Backup photos, contacts, and app data to Google or an SD card so you can restore if needed. Free up a minimum of roughly 2 GB by removing unused apps and clearing cache. This prevents failed installs. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Software Update. Make sure automatic updates are off so you control timing. You now perform the core steps. In Settings, tap Software Update, then download and install. Review the version notes to understand what changes and why compatibility matters. Make sure the battery remains at or above 50% and Wi-Fi stays connected during the entire download. A dropped connection can corrupt the package. Once the package downloads, confirm install. The phone will reboot and apply updates. Do not press buttons or remove the battery during this process, since interruption can brick the device. Once installation finishes, you verify success by opening About Phone and checking software information for the new Android version. If the device fails to boot or is stuck in a boot loop, immediately boot to recovery mode and clear the cache partition. That often fixes startup conflicts. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort, then restore your backup. Make sure you re-enable updates after confirming stability. Remember, clearing cache is less destructive than a reset and should be tried first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.